Hi, I'm Chris from Leighton House, and today I'd just like to briefly talk to you about the Rouge collection from Leighton House Professional. So the Rouge collection is a fantastic collection of colours, but it breaks the fundamental rule of hairdressing. They're a tint with the ability to lift through tint. So what this means is you can lift natural or coloured hair up to 4 levels without the need to pre-lighten the hair first. This is amazing because we know as hairdressers that if somebody wants red in very dark hair, normally you take your time, you bleach the hair up and then you put a red on it. The hair would lose its integrity and the red wouldn't stay. But with the Rouge collection, you're able to mix them at a 1:1 ratio with 3, 6, 9 or 12% and get up to 4 levels of lift through natural or coloured hair. This means you get vibrant, luscious reds, coppers and red violets on dark base natural or coloured hair. The processing time is up to 30 minutes or 15 minutes with gentle heat. The exception to the rule is magenta. So we have a magenta as well on the colour chart. Now magenta is designed to go on bases 6 and above. Now the reason behind this is not because magenta won't work on a darker base, but because the naturally occurring red in the hair turns the magenta into a red violet. So for a true magenta vibrant colour, you need to place it on a base 6 and above. Again, it can be natural or it can be coloured hair, and you're going to be using this with your 6 or your 9%. Now these are fantastic colours to use. Now when it comes to refreshing them, there's so many ways of doing this. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to keep putting the Rouge collection over the top of reds. Because they contain lift, what will happen is they will actually start to lift the colour out of the hair. So there's a number of ways, if you wish to refresh the colour, that you can do this. You can use one of our Couture Silk permanent collection and find a colour that matches the closest. Mix this 1 to 2 with your 1.5% and simply refresh the colour for 5 to 20 minutes, however much you feel it needs refreshing. Alternatively, at the basin, you can mix the Rouge collection 1 part Rouge, 1 part water, and simply distribute this through the ends for 5 to 10 minutes. And that's going to bring back the vibrancy and lusciousness of the colour. So if you've never used the Rouge collection to their full potential, try them today because they really are one of the premium colours on the colour chart.